So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Moruna Dwera and I am back again with a new video. And in today's video guys, so first I'm recording this video in my kitchen, and that is because my sitting room is in a total mess. And the reason is I have just disarranged it, and because finally guys, if you've been watching my videos, you can remember there are two walls that have been singing for like sijui mara ngapi that I'm supposed to paint. I've been saying, but finally today, not today, but finally we are I'm going to do the project. So first I want to go to the not to Gikomba. I was supposed to go to Gikomba, but there's a place I've been shown up Umoja kwa Chief. There's a place where they sell those, because first, okay, let me explain before niende far. So I'm supposed to paint the wall and also do a wainscoting on the wall. So wainscoting are those mbao, zile mbao za kutengeneza nazo frame. So those are the ones that you do a wainscoting. Those are the ones that zinatengenezwa nazo wainscoting. So I was supposed to go to get them in Gikomba, and I was told there's somewhere hapo Umoja kwa Chief just nearby. So I want to go and purchase them. Ndio nikuje, then I paint the wall and then nizieke, and then because nazieka we're going to do some rearrangements kidogo kwa sitting room. So guys, nisiongee sana, so wacha tu saizi nikimbie. Let me run to Gindi because after it's late. Niliamka late kidogo. Today is Friday, so nililala kidogo. Yeah. So, before we start the video guys, those who are watching for the first time, those who are joining this family for the first time, please consider subscribing. And help this family grow. Don't forget to turn on the post notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you get notified. And I know you don't want to miss out on everything that I post, because I have good and mad content, guys. So, yes, subscribe and give my videos a thumbs up, guys. Give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop a comment. So right about now, guys, nikianza kuongea, by the way, nitaongea. And I also want to paint my sitting room door color gray. So I'm starting with my sitting room door. I also told you that I want to change the color blue. I don't like it, so I'm going to show you my sitting room door is that color blue, and I also want to change it into gray. So guys, that's it. Wacha nikimbie, nimeongea sana. Let me run kwa nini, then I come with the hizo mbao, do the measurement and blah blah. So tutaneni tukitengeneza. So before I go, so that's my door, as you can see. You see, so that's the color blue that I want to change. I don't like it. And yes, by the way, mimi nikiwa kwa nyumba, I lock myself. You know, we are in Nairobi, and huku kwetu the security is not, it's not bad, it's not good, but it's good to keep safe. So yes, I also want to change that one. So guys, I'm already at the place where I want to purchase my frames, and it's a place, it's called Waidaka Timber Products, and it's located up to Kwa Chief, just right at the stage. And so yes, here's where I want to go and purchase my frames instead of going to Gikomba. Sasa umeziget? Alafu sasa unakata? Sasa nataka nichague style, si ndio? Sasa nilikuwa nataka, sikuwa nataka nono sana. I think nitaenda na, hebu toa hii tuone. Toa hiyo tuone. So now they were measuring the frames and they wanted to cut them according to the measurements. So first they had to measure the frames. Sisi nafasi kwa sita. Mbona hiyo pia inikali straight? Kwa sawa. And now my frames are ready and I want to carry them. Today is on a Sunday. Home. The last time I went to buy the frames was on a Friday, if you can remember. So today I have the frames with me. So here are the frames. I bought them. And now I wanted before I paint, so I was supposed to paint first, then I put the frame. But I've decided let me just put the frame first, then I paint, because I was thinking painting first, then I put the frames. Takwa kazi mingi sana. So let me just put the frames first. Then that is when I paint. So I'm hoping, and then I also have my nails. And I was told I be careful because nikichapa nails zinaweza pasuka. So I'm really praying to God zisipasuke. So anyway, let's start with the project. So let me start. First I have to measure. I have my foot here, and I'm going to use this because this is going to help me like get the spaces that I'll need in between the frames. So that's why I'm having this one, and then using that in to measure too. And unfortunately, by the way, I don't have that ile stuff. Those one that ile stuff mafundi wanatumianga kujua if something is straight. So we're just going to use our eyes, me and my cameraman. So wewe ndio kunisaidia kuona kama iko straight or not, because sikuwa nataka involve mafundi. Just wanted to do it by myself. So what do you think? Iko straight? Ndogo zinaingia haraka. Ndogo zinaingia haraka. Tishaingia. I don't know why this thing keeps on slanting. want to get it right. Keeps on slotting on me. Kupenya hii wall si rahisi. Guys, ile amount of measuring tena nasikia kichwa inaniuma. Why? So guys, by the way, napiga msumari na shades. I'm using shades because I'm kind of protecting my eyes. Because this wall is very hard and some nails zinakatika, zinaruka, so na protect macho. Sitaki itoke hapa kama mimi ni kipofu in the name of decoration. Ni ngumu, watakuja kunikatia. Chani kitu frame hili ni kwanza. Sijui mbona hizi zinaingia kazi mingi. Kunja. Sasa hizi zinaleta shida. So guys, so now this is the frame, as you can see. Ile kazi nimefanya hapa, but now I'm through with the frame. The only thing remaining is this wall. I want to put this one pale kwa hii wall, like this one, but huko juu sipigili anything. I'm not going to add anything, so I'm going to just put this one pale. So that's the only thing is remaining. And again, these holes kidogo tu hizi zimebaki, these ones. So I'm supposed to buy wood filler and then I fill them. Then again, zile msumari zimevunjika huko juu nikipiga, you're supposed to cut them. I'm supposed to cut them. So that's it, guys. This is the frame. What do you think? It's coming up. It's coming up. So the way I said, if you envision it, just call Morina Dwera and I will deliver. So our wainscoting inaenda vizuri, and I think that's it. So part 2, because I can't do sisi fanya hivi na ni paint and I rearrange the sitting room, the video will be too long. So the part 2, when now I takuwa ni paint, then ni arrange sitting room, that will be on my next video. So for now, guys, let me just wind up because I am tired. And by the way, the man behind the camera, you just don't know what help America idea sana. So man behind the camera, oh yay, high five. High five. So guys, that's it. Let's meet on my next vlog on the part 2 now. Sasa itakuwa nimemaliza kazi, so stick kwa hii channel ndio tuone vile kazi yote itatoka. So till we meet again on my next vlog, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and much love. Toodles.